Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make a double bar graph in Google Sheets. So, a double bar graph is great when you want to compare two sets of data side by side. For this example, I've got this spreadsheet right here. Now, you'll have to first of all make sure you select two columns if you want a double bar graph. So, first, select data. Your data should be in two columns and the name in the first. So after selecting your data that you want to be shown as a double bar graph, including the headers, go to Insert option at the top and click Chart option. Now, Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart for you. On the right side, you will see the Chart Editor panel. Click on the Chart Type drop-down menu and select Bar Chart. So scroll down to the Bar section. This is bar. I will select this bar chart. Make sure you pick the regular bar chart and not the stacked one. Since we have two sets of data, Google Sheets will automatically place them side by side as a double bar graph. As you can see, this is a double bar graph. Now, if your chart isn't showing both products side by side, click on the Setup tab in the chart, that is this one, and make sure both rows and columns are listed under Series. So scroll down and make sure that under series, both your rows and columns are listed. In my case, it's week 1 and week 2 earning. So as you can see, the series has week 1 and week 2 earning. You can click add series and add another by selecting it from here. But since we have double bar graph, we are going to select 2. Now to make it look clean, click on the customize tab. And here you can give your chart a title, change the colors just by clicking chart style, choose the background color, your default font theme, chart border color, you can make it 3D and play along with it to make it more attractive. So that's how you make a double bar graph in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.